Kitchen Premium Apple Corer Tool is a top-notch kitchen accessory that combines both functionality and style. Boasting an elegant red color, this tool is a perfect addition to any kitchen setting. Crafted with high-quality stainless steel, the blade of the corer tool ensures durability and precision when removing cores from apples and other fruits. With dimensions of 7L x 4W and a lightweight design of 3.52 ounces, the Zule Kitchen Apple Corer Tool is easy to handle and maneuver, making it a convenient choice for everyday use. The handle, also made of stainless steel, provides a comfortable grip, allowing for efficient coring tasks with ease. One of the standout features of this apple corer is its dishwasher-safe design, saving you time and effort on cleaning up after use. The Zule Kitchen Premium Apple Corer Tool is manufactured by Zule Kitchen, a trusted brand known for its high-quality kitchen tools and accessories, with overwhelmingly positive customer.
The easy-off jar opener for seniors is a game-changer for individuals seeking a hassle-free solution for opening jars. With dimensions of 7.2, 7.2, 0.7 inches, and a lightweight of 4.9 ounces, this product offers ease of use without sacrificing effectiveness. Manufactured by Easy Off, known for quality household products, this jar opener is a reliable addition to any kitchen. The product, with ACE and B-Teller X6K9J8 and item model number 888556463D95, originates from China and has garnered a high rating from customers worldwide. With an impressive rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars from 26,334 ratings, it is evident that this product excels in performance and customer satisfaction. Ranked number 17111 in kitchen and dining and number 6 in jar openers, the Easy Off jar opener for seniors proves to be a sought-after item in its category. Notably, this product has not been discontinued since its first availability on October 14, 2023, showcasing its enduring popularity and functionality. In conclusion,
Auto electric can opener open. Your is a convenient and user-friendly kitchen appliance that brings ease and efficiency to the task of opening cans. This automatic can opener is designed by Kitchen Mama, a trusted brand known for quality kitchen gadgets. This can opener comes in a sleek white color and is made of durable plastic material, making it both lightweight and robust. The dimensions of 18, 7, or 5.5 centimeters make it compact enough to fit neatly in any kitchen space. The blade material is stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting sharpness and precise cutting. With an automatic operation mode, this can opener is simple to use and requires minimal effort. Powered by 4 AA batteries, the Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener open your
Oil dispenser bottle brand. Hoforite material, glass bottle type. Wide neck color, black capacity, 18 fluid ounces. Special feature, leak proof. Age range, adult product dimensions, 2.3 W, 7H product care instructions. Hand wash only recommended uses for product. Cooking number of items. 1. Reusability, reusable shape. Straight material type. Free, bisphenol A, BPA, free finish. Type, glossy unit. Count, 1.0 count manufacturer, Hoforite item. Weight, 14.9 ounces ASIN. BOCWKF727C country of origin, China. Item model number, Oil 02 customer reviews, 4.2 out of 5 stars, 847 ratings. Bestsellers rank, number 124 in kitchen dining, number 3 in oil dispensing bottles. Date first available, February 27, 2024. This glass olive oil dispenser bottle from Hoforite combines functionality with style, making it a perfect addition to any kitchen. The wide neck design allows for easy pouring and refilling of your favorite cooking oils. Its black color and glossy finish give it an elegant look.
Star Vegetable Chopper by Full Star is a versatile and efficient kitchen tool that simplifies the process of vegetable preparation. With product dimensions of 11 L, 4 W, 9H, this chopper is compact yet sturdy, made of high-quality stainless steel material in a stylish gray-green color. One of the standout features of this vegetable chopper is its multi-purpose design, allowing users to chop a variety of vegetables with ease. The V-shaped stainless steel blades are sharp and durable, ensuring precise and efficient cutting every time. The manual operation mode gives users full control over the chopping process, In terms of maintenance, the full-star vegetable chopper is dishwasher safe, making cleaning up a breeze. With an item weight of 2 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to handle, suitable for everyday use in the kitchen. The full-star vegetable chopper has received positive feedback from customers, boasting a solid 4.5 out of 5 stars rating from 107,034 reviews.